How to change profile picture on Twitch. Are guys facing issue to change profile picture on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the profile picture on Twitch application, first of all, open Twitch on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply head over to the settings or profile icon which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for edit profile. Tap on it. After tap on it, you can see the option for profile picture over here. Click on pencil icon. After you click on pencil icon, you can choose the photo from your gallery. Tap on choose existing photo or second option. Once you click on it, you can select the photo or change the photo from your gallery. And that's it guys, that's how you can change your profile picture onto its application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.